Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. Today we're going to be looking at this Acer Chromebook, and here's the model number. I'll just print it out for you right there. And that's why I found at Acer Recertified for $69. Wow, I can't believe it. Anyway, this is a scratch and dent, so there is a minor scratch. There it is, minor scratch on it, but it's beautiful. Other than that, everything works on it. All the keys are there. There we go, there's the keys. I've tested the charging and it keeps the charge for over 8 hours in use. It doesn't have a touchscreen and it doesn't have a backlit keyboard, but the screen does produce a very clear image. This one, by the way, was manufactured back in 2021, but the expiration date is all the way up to 2029. Now, the expiration date, if you're not familiar with, Chromebooks receive updates for the Chrome OS. Now, this could be updates for security, for the operating system, and also for the hardware. This one here will receive updates all the way to June of 2029, and yet you only get it for $69. Now, Acer Recertified did not pay me to make this video at all, so I went out and I just had to buy one for one of my sons there, and this is what I found. This video is partially sponsored by Papa Safety, providers of mace and other products to keep you safe. Alright, so let's take a look at this Acer Chromebook, you and I. Come on. And it showed up on my doorstep in a plain cardboard box with ample protection there for the Chromebook, and it comes with a standard Chromebook charger, which is a USB Type-C with a max output of 45 watts on this charger. This is a scratch and dent product, so you have a minor scratch there, and then below you have a very small scratch there too. All of the foot pads are present. The screen is nice and bright. And the ports that we find on the left-hand side would be the USB Type-C port, USB Type-A, micro SD card slot, and the audio jack. And the ports that we find on the right-hand side would be the USB Type-A port, USB Type-C, and the Kingston lock. And this Chromebook uses USB Type-C to charge. As you see, I'm plugging it in now. And just in case you missed the announcement, this does not come with a touch screen, nor does it come with a backlit keyboard. Now let's see how well it actually captures the screen in a video. When I go over to the Chrome Enterprise and Education Help, I find that the Chromebook 311 CB311-10H has an expiration date of June 2029. So that's good to know. That's basically the date of when the automatic updates stop. So it'll be stopping in the middle of June of 2029. If we go to About System right here, as you see in my URL address box, we can see how much memory it has. It has 4 gigs of RAM, which is listed right there. And when I go down and I look at my Files app here, let's see the size of the drive. So we click on Downloads, click on the 3 dots, and we see that there's about 45 gigs still available after I've been using it. If you click on it, you get more information. In this case, we see that about 20 gigs is being used and about 45 gigs is available. And it shows here. So it is about 64 gig drive, which comes with these with 4 gigs of RAM. So I feel good about that. So I'm going to open up the camera and let's check out and see how good the camera is. There it is. And this is for taking either video, photos, or you can even scan a document. So let's go to video and see what we have as far as settings. So settings, I have the 720p. Can you do higher? like 1080? No, you can't. So $720, but this is a $69 Chromebook. I mean, come on. So it's amazing what you get for $69 here. You do have 360p available in case you have low bandwidth where you're streaming a video to, but 720 is okay for this demonstration here. And then below this we have different things here. So we have mirror preview. If I want that on, it flips it. So it's my mirror image there. So it feels like I'm looking in a mirror. We can have a grid pattern on. There's the golden ratio. There you go. We can turn that off. There we go. There's the grid is off. And let me see here. So on photos, there it is under photo. And if you wanted to take a photograph, you just click here. And it gives you a preview down here. And it saves them into your downloads folder. And I was able to find them there. For the scan, this is what it looks like for a scan. Is of course, it's going to change it. And if you had a document, you'd bring it up here. And then you say place all the edges of the document within the frame that you have here. And you'll scan it in for you when you click on the button right here, the scan button. All right. So that's the camera app. Hey, wow. I was actually rather impressed for a $69 Chromebook. It was very fast, it's very nimble, and it actually loaded and did some of the video editing that I did for it, this very video that you're watching right now. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have a question, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. And the last word there is, do I recommend it or not? Well, it doesn't come with a backlit keyboard, nor does it have a touchscreen. So those are kind of drawbacks. If you're just looking for a basic Chromebook, maybe something to watch YouTubes, do minor little editing and stuff like that, then this actually is a good buy. So there you go. Hey, I hope you enjoy it there. And now a word from our sponsor, Papa Safety. Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Barry here. I can't express myself on how impressed I am with Papa Safety's personal alarms. This 3-in-1 device is an absolute game changer when it comes to personal safety, and has become an essential part of my wife's everyday carry. First of all, the pepper spray feature is outstanding with its powerful gel stream pattern that reaches up to 12 feet. She feels confident that she can protect herself from a safe distance. Plus, it's a relief to know that it reduces wind blowback, ensuring that she won't be affected by the spray when she's using it. That's not all. The 130 decibel sound and the bright strobe lights are incredibly effective. I tested it out, and the piercing sound definitely captures attention from a considerable distance. What truly sets this product apart is its versatility. The detachable design is a brilliant concept, allowing me to replace the used pepper spray bottles easily. It's cost-effective, eco-friendly, and incredibly convenient. No more need to purchase a whole new product when you run out of pepper spray. Just replace the bottle, and you're good to go. The flip-top safety cap adds an extra layer of safety, preventing any accidents or misfires, which I greatly appreciate. And the fact that it's rechargeable and the battery lasts up to a year on a single charge is the icing on the cake. I believe this product is not just for personal use, but also makes an excellent gift. It's perfect for parents, college students, or anyone who works evenings and values their safety. I can't recommend the Papa Safety personal alarms enough. It's a must-have for everyone looking for peace of mind and protection.